Welcome to Beau's backyard. I'm Reece. I'm not actually Beau. This is Beau. And together we're going to transform his backyard into $1 million backyard. Let's see what we can turn it into in this series, which is going to be called Beau's Garden. There it is.
Got a lot to do, but luckily I've got all the tools to get it done. Safety. And there's some fun toys to get it done.
The unique thing about this backyard is there's heaps of little trinkets, like this old tree stump. We don't really know what we're gonna do with it. It could become a workbench, it could become a seat, because there's plenty of labor that's gonna be going on. So again, you're probably gonna have to stick around for some future videos. Digging this out of the ground by hand is gonna be pretty painful. Maybe we'll live stream it and see if anyone will donate to watch us in pain while we dig it out. Who knows? It's a fair bit to do.
So the interesting thing about where we are actually located, we're in Adelaide, South Australia, also known as the driest city in Australia on the driest continent on Earth. So we are faced with hot, dry summers, about 400 to 500 mils of rain, pretty mild winters. So yeah, we're up against a few things, but we do have a beautiful Mediterranean climate, which gives us the opportunity to plant and grow lots of plants from all different types of climates from all around the world, which is really, really cool.
The cool thing about this space is that we really can take it as far as we want to go. It is bare bones. It's not in great condition at all. It's uneven. The fences are falling apart. It's going to be not only a journey to bring it to life, but also a space that we can enjoy once it comes to life. Beau's done this before, and here we go again. And he has the expertise. I like getting my hands dirty. We're going to turn it into something pretty cool.
We've kind of already started. We've got a plan in the background. We just kind of wanted to beat the seasons, I guess, beat the heat, get an early start. Trimmed a few things. Hopefully in the future, you'll see the design more in depth and see where the whole background of this backyard's coming from. Some of you might know already that I'm a landscape designer. I specialize in edible and eco-sustainable type gardens. I purchased this property for its potential. It is a perfect block to turn into a fruit forest and full veggie garden situation. We've already done some planning. I know what we're gonna do with the space. Really excited to see what it turns into, and I'm really excited for you guys to join us along the way. Behind me is this old rusty shed built in 1952. It's still got great potentials. We're gonna try and retrofit it into a greenhouse or use it as a storage shed, attach a few trellises, grow some food all over it. Our first challenge is getting rid of some of the things that we've already unfortunately stuck here with, like this random suckering plant. I don't know what it was. It stunk. It suckers all over the yard, so we're gonna probably have to poison it, dig it out, all the above, just get rid of it. So the main issue we have with this part of the garden is the uneven ground. So we've got high points, low points, areas where water's going to pool, area where water's gonna flow across different surfaces. So our challenge would be, how do we work with these undulations to best capture our water, to redirect our water without making a huge mess of the yard and really optimizing the space that we have. Because we live in such a dry, arid environment and climate, we really want to try and capture as much rainwater as we can. So rather than all our rainwater go off to the stormwater in the street, we're going to try and manipulate some of these groundworks, create some swales and trap some of our stormwater in the ground and water our trees without irrigation. In traditional cities and suburban areas, this isn't really done. Precious rainwater just gets shipped off to the street into the stormwater drains. We're going to try and collect it and really make use of our most important resource.
There's lizards in the backyard. There's a surprise over the back fence, which I'm gonna do some convincing at some point to get us access in there, because there's some little cool knickknacks that might make their way into a future episode once they see what we do with this space. But ultimately, the goal, like we said at the very beginning, is to make this space a place that people wanna come and enjoy, but also be eco-friendly, resourceful. A goal to cook a meal from everything grown in this backyard is one of the goals that Beau assures me we'll be able to do. I really wanna learn how to do that. Number two, think of a cute little movie night in Beau's backyard. How exciting. And then ultimately, we have something that we call Boxing Day. And I'll talk more about that in the future. But for now, the goal is to get the backyard ready for December of next year, which is just over 12 months away. So it's gonna be pretty full on to get there. That's pretty much the video for today. Welcome aboard. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like and subscribe button. Beau, thank you very, very much for letting me use your backyard to turn it into something amazing. And hopefully we get there in the end. Bye for now. Oh yeah, thanks Michaela. You got headphones on. All right. Bunnings Warehouse. Lowest prices.